Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm here with Cameron. I'm trying to do daily vlogging. We're at the beach. For my vlog.
Konnichiwa. I am Japanese.
No. Currently, I look good from this angle, so. Currently at the mall, waiting for a movie, and it's like a hidden movie theater. So I'm with this dude.
Hello.
Ate all this popcorn. No, I didn't. I don't refill this with little boxes. I need to share, so it's empty now. Back at this guy's house right here. This boy. Whoa. Wow, thanks. Watching my all-time favorite show. Eating some of this.
They should have put
Watching some of that. What?
They should have put rats on the stop.
Oh my vlog. Whoa. Oh my god, I look so red. But with this dude. This dude.
The muscle.
So that's a very I know, matches. See you guys in my next vlog.
How did the muscle running from it up? Then I shoot at all.
I was like, just got burnt. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a clothing haul, which I've done multiple times on my channel, but I recently went to Pink and I am